Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to your channel, Brilliant Minds by Neeru. Students, in this video, I'll be discussing Unit 3 of your book, Information Technology, and that is Database Management System. And we'll be solving few MCQs. And your subject code is, you know very well, that is 402. Should we start now? Okay. First question. A dash is an organized collection of data. Options are database, digital document, spreadsheet, none of the above. The answer is database. Now, second, a dash is a software package that can be used for creating and managing databases. The options are database management system, base data management system, database managed system, none of the above. And the correct answer is A part, database management system. Next questions. Number 3. A dash database management system is referred to as a relational model. The options are DBMS, RDBMS, DB, and none of the above. What's the answer? The answer is option 2, means B part, RDBMS. Fourth, example of the database, what is it? Microsoft Access, OpenOffice base, MySQL, or all of above. The correct answer is all of the above. MySQL, OpenOffice base, and Microsoft Access, all three are examples of database. So the fourth option, all of the above, is correct. Number 5, the database concept has evolved since you have to tell the correct year, 1980, 1960, 1955 or 1950. The correct answer is B part, 1960. Sixth question, DBMS stands for Database Management System, Database Managed System, Data Managed System, or none of the above. The correct answer is Database Management System. Number 7, a database management system is a software package with computer programs that controls the dash. What are these? Creation, maintenance, use of database, or all of above. The answer is all of above. And the 8th part, a DBMS enables several users application programs to access the dash database. The answer is same database, not other database. Both A and B is also incorrect, and none of the above is again incorrect. So a DBMS enables several user application programs to access the same database. Okay. Now, number 9. Data can be organized into dash, flat file, relational, both A and B, none of the above. The correct answer is both A and B. Number 10. Data stored in a single table is known as dash, flat file, relational, both A and B, none of the above. The answer is flat file. Okay, data stored in a single table is known as flat file. Number 11. Data is stored in multiple tables which are connected together via a common field. The options are flat file, relational, both A and B, none of the above. The answer is relational. Number 12, dash are dedicated computers that hold the actual databases and run only the DBMS and related software. So what is the name of these dedicated computers? Database server, decided server, web server, or none of the above. The correct answer is A part, database server. These are the dedicated computers that hold the actual databases. Number 13. What are the advantages of database? It reduces data redundancy, sharing of data, data integrity, all of above. Yes, the correct answer is all of the above. D part is correct. So these are all the advantages of database. Number 14. When the same piece of data is stored in 2 or more locations, it is called data redundancy, data integrity, data consistency, none of the above. The answer is data redundancy, means duplication of data. So same piece of data is stored in more than one location. Number 15. Dash prevents creating multiple copies in the database. Your options are data redundancy, data integrity, data consistency, none of the above. The answer is data redundancy. Okay, data redundancy prevents creating multiple copies in the database. Number 16, dash means that the data is accurate and consistent in the database. The options are data redundancy, data integrity, data consistency, none of the above. The answer is data integrity. It means data is accurate and consistent. That is called data integrity. Number 17, only authorized users should be allowed to access the database and their identity should be authenticated using a username and password known as data redundancy, data consistency, data security, none of the above. The correct option is C part, data security. For this, you have to use username and password. Number 18, database management system automatically takes care of data redundancy, backup and recovery, data security, and none of the above. Out of 4, the B part is the correct one, backup and recovery. It automatically takes care of it. Number 19, dash prevent multiple mismatching copies of same database in data in the database, and only valid data will be added in the database. What is it? Is it data redundancy, backup and recovery, data inconsistency, none of the above? The correct answer is data consistency. It prevents multiple mismatching copies of the same data. Number 20, dash in a table represents a set of information with the same structure in every row. Tuples, record, both A and B means tuples and records, and last one is none of the above. The answer is both A and B. So tuples and records in a table represent a set of information with the same structure in every row. Okay, these are the two names. Alternatively, these can be used. 21, a dash is an actual text, number or date that you enter when adding data to your database. The options are A, values, B, table, C, boolean, D, none of the above. The answer is values. Values is the actual text or number or date when you enter. Okay, now number 22. Only few questions are left. 26 are in total. 22. The unique field present in the data in the table is called primary key, candidate key, foreign key, or none of the above. So the unique field is known as primary key. Okay, only one primary key can be there in any table. Number 23, when the primary key is applied on multiple columns is known as dash, primary key, composite primary key, foreign key, none of the above. The answer is B part, composite primary key. It is applied on multiple columns. Okay. 24, by default, if the primary key is not defined, that column is known as primary key, candidate key, foreign key, none of the above. Answer is foreign key. Okay. 25 and 26, only these two questions are left, students. Dash key can store multiple same records in the table. Primary key, candidate key, foreign key, none of the above. The correct option is C part, foreign key. It can store multiple same records in the table. 26th number, the last question. The relationship between two tables where one table has one record and another table has many records is known as one to many, many to many, many to one, or none of the above. Yes, students, the answer is one to many. One table has one record and another table has many records. So all the MCQs are done. I hope you have prepared your lesson very well. All the best for your terminal exams, half-yearly and your annual exams. Take care, enjoy and study as well. Bye.